Yeah, we just start to seal against seal on them joints over there. Just to seal on joints. The joint until that all I need to seal it. So yeah. Still there. Yeah. Well, I don't seal it to the wall. It's all I do. Get them ready for this wall. Yeah, just get it ready. Yeah, then all cut, put in. Don't fit to the wall as yet. Yeah, I'm gonna take them off back and then mix some adhesive. This is around the windows. We're gonna put board around it. Yeah, this is just a temporary fixture. Just cut the board to the fit them temporary to the wall. So I'm going to move them away back from the wall and then I just put my adhesive to the wall. So this is what happening, sis. Our job, but we get in there. We get in there. Fit to the wall. Yeah, I think right there. So we're just going to put them little bits on the top now and finish up. So this is what the happening is. So by the end of the day we set up some different fit. Notice around the windows, take time, but boy, around the windows, take it back right off. Right up here you can see the edge of the window. That's when it fit the knots for the wall. Around the window is even. Right around the windows is even. Yeah, that's one of the windows. This wall, yeah. Yeah, rip it all off.
Right guys, so I've literally just been updating my spreadsheet, my scope of work, so project spreadsheet for the knock. So this is literally just adding costs in for my plasterer as I've paid. So I've literally separated these tabs down at the bottom into what I paid the builder, plumber, electrician, plasterer, etc. And this is what I'm working on, so I'll add this updated version as soon as I can. But yeah, it just helps me keep track of the costs and what I've paid each discipline, how much I've got left on the balance, the additional bits that I've added in, additional costs, totaled that up as well, so I can see that versus what the original quote was. So that's all the additional costs, which is the additional materials versus the actual quote to do the labour and works in total, what I'm paying, payment dates, and what I've paid for the additional things as well. So it just helps me keep track of everything, and then that all feeds in to my actual costs as well. So that all feeds into my actual costs here. So I've literally got on my spreadsheet for example, that all feeds in, so I know where I am and it adds it all up automatically at the bottom. Yeah, and I went to Carpetright yesterday, so I'm just going to pop in the approximate quote that I've got. This is pre-measure, and I'll see how that affects the costings as well.